Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before going in the material, introduce myself. My name is Topan Subagya, NIM 1925 016, class 19 to C 14, Program Studi Sistem Informasi Bina Sarana Informatika University. Here I will explain about computer and hardware. Next, what is a computer? The first use of the word computer was recorded in 1613, referring to a person who carried on calculation or computation, and the word continued with the same meaning until the middle of the 20th century. Remember, the word computer was recorded in 1613. Okay, next. A computer is a general-purpose device that can be programmed to carry out in a finite set of arithmetic or logical operations. Since a sequence of operations can be readily changed, the computer can solve more than one kind of problem. Also, we can say an electronic device that stores, retrieves, and processes data and can be programmed with instruction. A computer is composed of hardware and software and can exist in a variety of sizes and configuration. Types of computer. There are five. The first, personal computer or PC. Cheap and easy to use, often as an stand-alone computer or in a network, used by individuals for work, study, and entertainment. May be connected to large mainframe computer within big companies. The second, supercomputer, fastest and most powerful computer used for scientific research. And then next, laptop, portable computer, easy to carry. And tablet and smartphone, small and portable touchscreen device used for communication. And next, mini and mainframe computer, very powerful, used by large organizations such as bank to control the entire business operation. Very expensive. Mainframe networks, high reliability machine crafted to process millions of critical business transactions concurrently, leveraged heavily by banks, insurance conglomerates, and government agencies array for ultimate data security and uptime. And mini computers or mid-range, historical multi-user units built to service small business or individual development. While largely obsolete today, they acted as a processor model for local networking, database, server, and factory process system. In material next, in hardware. What is a hardware? Definition of hardware. Hardware is physical equipment of computer system. Example, keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse, and etc. Hardware can be divided into two categories. One, input device and output device. Input device is computer device that is used to input data into computer system. Example, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Input device. One, text input device, such a keyboard, a device to input text and characters by depressing buttons. similar to a typewriter, the most common English language. K. Layout. The QWERTY layout. Below is a picture of a keyboard use QWERTY layout. Nah, a picture a keyboard using a QWERTY layout. Okay, next, pointing device. The most common pointing device is mouse. In computing, a mouse is a pointing device that functions by detecting two-dimensional motion relative to its pointing surface. A picture a mouse. This mouse. Okay, next. A gaming device. One example of gaming device is a joystick. Joystick. A joystick is a general control device that consists of a handle stick that pivots around one end to detect angles into or three dimension. This picture joystick. First, image video input device. There are two common input devices in the type. First is a image scanner, a device that provides input by analyzing image, printing text, handwriting, or an object. Below is a vector image scanner. This scanner connects output before input, next output. Uh, their image video output device. For example, is a printer. In converting, a printer is a variable which produces a hard copy of document stored in electronic form, usually on physical print media such as paper transferences. This below is picture printer. And next, audio output device. Audio output device speaker, computer speaker, or multimedia speaker are external speaker, commonly equipped with a low power internal amplifier. Headset, headphone, or a pair of small speaker, or less commonly a single speaker, with a way of holding them close to user ears and means of connecting them to a signal source such as an audio amplifier, radio, or CD player. Below a picture speaker and headset. This speaker and headset. Okay, and the material slide. Thank you. Before closing the presentation, there is quote of the day. Quote of the day: don't be afraid to fail before trying. Wake up to realize the dream or sleep to continue the dreams. Thank you for the attention. I'm Topan Subagja. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.